quick question: how many trading accounts have you blown? 1, 2, 3, let me guess, 4, or you can't count again? Not to bother, a solution is here for you. Hey everyone, and hope we are good. Welcome to Tradewithbolu online services. My name is Tradewithbolu, going to be taking you on this amazing series. For the first timers in our midst, we say a big welcome. We're happy to have you here. And in case this is not your first time, I say a big welcome. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe so that you don't miss out on amazing content dropping. Everyone knows the same code that almost 90% of traders, or let's say 90% of traders, lose their money, or a huge number of traders end up blowing their accounts, and these numbers keep on rising and keep on rising. But a little disclaimer: most times when people are new into the trading business, they end up blowing account. Just like when you start driving a car for the first time, you either see scratches or you see little bashes here and there, but it doesn't happen to everyone. Same way, it doesn't happen to everyone and they end up blowing their accounts. But for those that you've been in the game for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and you still find yourself blowing account, then there is a big problem. So in this episode, I'm going to be sharing you some tips that would help you stop blowing your trading accounts, and you may want to stay to the end because there's an extra tip coming in. So the first tip I would say is go for proper training, or I would say go for proper education. You know, the famous quote which says learn then you earn, but let me reconstruct that and say it as learn before you intend to earn. Because most traders just want to jump and want to press a buy on that green candle, want to press a sell on that red candle, and they don't even have a reason, or they don't know why. They just see the market moving to the upside and they intend that, oh, it's going for a buy, and they jump into a buy because what? They don't have proper education. Trading education is basically everywhere. You can go to YouTube, you can go to different forex educational sites that will teach you, even from free to the paid part, and you can not be making silly mistakes again. So first tip is go for proper education. You could even come across books like Candlestick Trading Bible, The Mental Game of Trading. There are a lot of books by one I love much is Mark Douglas, because it teaches how to be able to control your emotions, and this form of education is something that will help you or stop you from blowing those trading accounts. One thing I always say is know the why before you buy. So acquire the right set of trading knowledge before you start pressing those buy or sell. So on to my number 2 tip is having a proper risk management. And yeah, I'll just be running through what many traders make mistake. Most traders make a lot of mistake with their lot sizes, or mistakes like leverages, and some even go ahead to start trading without stop loss. If you're trading in this era without a stop loss, trust me, you're making a big mistake. So you don't want to be taking a trade and wondering, oh, it's going to keep reversing, it's going to be reversing. You're not going to be playing a game of hope while trading. No. There are a lot of reasons why people put a stop loss. For example, you can't control the market. You may not know, may not be aware of a news event. Something could happen to your system, or it could just shut down for a while, and you can't control what happens in the market. This is where your stop loss comes in and saves you from the amount of money you're going to lose. So please, next time, never trade without a stop loss. It helps you limit how much you intend to lose per trade. Yes, it helps you limit that amount. And you have problems with lot sizes because most people are taking crazy lot sizes on small accounts, or taking extra crazy lot sizes on even larger accounts, and this can end up blowing the account. So there's going to be a video attached up here that's going to teach you how to use the right lot size. So on to my 3rd point is what I love to call money management. Money management, I love to differentiate it from risk management, because when it comes to money management, I like to deal with things like your win percentage and your risk per trade. Yes, or what they say, your risk reward. So when it comes to risk reward, even onto the chart here, there's a tool that clearly points out your risk reward, because it's something that is very important. So let me show you an example of how the risk reward tool works like. So This is a 2 year, and this tells me that this gives me a risk reward of 4.5. okay, so this is 1:4.5. so if I'm risking 1% of my account here, I'm going to make up to 4.5% of my account. So before going into risk reward, most traders are risking up to 50% of their account. You're trading a $100 account and you're risking up to $50. You're making a big mistake. You want to be risking from 0.5% to a maximum of 5% of your account. It's 0.5% to maximum of 5%. And let me paint the maths and let me tell you how it works. Let's say you're risking 1%. This is a scenario. It's going to take you 99 other trades to wipe out that account. And let's say you don't even know how to trade, or you're just pressing a buy and sell. You cannot lose 99 trades in a row. There are many times we go on demo and we are just pressing buy, sell, and you see blues. So same way you can't lose 99 trades in a row, same way 1% risk management is what I always love to recommend to many people, because it keeps you for a very long time in the trading game. Okay, so when it comes to win percentage, you work on that. Get a good working strategy. You want to be looking for a strategy that has at least a minimum of 40% win rate to a maximum, because once you have a 40% win rate and you have a good risk reward of like 1 to 3 per trade, it keeps you profitable in the long run. Even if you have losses, 2 wins can give you back your profits easily without stress. So this is something that you should be taking into consideration when it comes to money management. So on to my fourth point is what I call emotional management. Emotional management is where I now deal with things like psychology. Do you have the right psychology when trading? Most people are still battling with things like fear. Oh, I don't want to miss this trade. I want to jump on this trade. I want to just go. Okay, I'm seeing people are buying this pair and they just jump on the buy and boom. Or people are taking, or you go for signals and you see the signal is using a 1.0 lot size, and then you use a 1.0, but then you are trading a $10 account. Oh my god, it's never going to, you just, most likely the spread is going to just wipe your account, even if it is in a very high leverage. Okay, so this is something you should take into consideration when your emotional management. Avoid things like greed. You're good for the day, be done. You don't need to say, okay, let me increase my position, let me double my position. Once you've made good profit, learn to be content even in the financial market. The market owes you nothing. So things like fear, greed, FOMO, anxiety, these are things you want to make sure you manage before jumping into trade. If not, if you see yourself losing and you're still dealing with that, most likely you're going to blow your account soon. So on to my last tip, or my bonus point, is what I call using a trading plan. So once you have a trading plan in mind, every single thing I've gone through, every single 4 points I've said earlier is going to be covered in your trading plan. Because you having a trading plan means you have the right education, then you've been able to ally to your proper risk management and your proper money management, and you know the conditions to trade based on your trading plan. So you are not just jumping based on fear or greed. Okay, a trading plan covers you from blowing your account at all. Yes, it covers you from blowing your account at all. So we've come to the end of this amazing video. This video is going to help you stop blowing your trading account or help preserve your account for a very long time. You know, we are trying to fight to either preserve your capital or at least don't trade so you don't lose your money. My name remains Tradewithbolu, and from Tradewithbolu Online Services, don't forget to subscribe. I'll say don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.